All right, we are looking at box and whisker plot. And most of you, I think, have done these before. If you look at your gray and white calculator, if you have one, there are 5 data points that you need. They are the min, the Q1, the median, the Q3, and the max. Those are all in order at the bottom of the calculator, and that would be under, if you're looking down, looking at the calculator here, that is 7, 8, 9, 10, 7, 8, 9, A and B. So we need a minimum, Q1, median, Q3, and the max. And I have a set of data here with a minimum of 8. My Q1 is 9. The median is 10. Q3 is 12. This data was all very close together, apparently. And now I need to make a box and whisker plot out of this. So the first thing is to build a scale if I don't have one built for me. And I'm going to go from 8, I'm going to go from 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and I like to go 1 over, 1 under. So my minimum is at 8, so I'm going to label that point. Q1 is at 9. The median is at 10. Q3 is at 12. And the max is at 13. So to build the box and whisker, we come in from the ends. The max and min. We build a box. Oops, I have to fix that. And then a line through the median. And that's it for the box and whisker plot. I have another one. The data is a little bit different, and the min is 12. Q1 is equal to 15. The median is 21. Q3 is equal to 28. And the max is 40. So this is a larger spread from 12 to 40. And to build that, I can do 10. I'm going to wind up going by 2s, so 10, 12, that's 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, and 42. So I'm going up by 2s, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, but to save space down here, I'm not writing every number. The values here are important. If you don't put those, I am taking off points because I don't know what your scale is. So at 12, I have my minimum. Q1 is at 15, so 14, 15 is in between 14 and 16. Median is 21, so 22 back is 21. Q3 is at 28. And my max is at 40. Let me go back and label these. Q3, median, and Q1. And I will also take off points if you don't have the minimum, Q1, median, Q3, and max. And this is, of course, when you are solving these on a quiz or work that's being turned in. To build a box and whisker plot, again, we come in from our min, we come in from our max, and then we build a box that joins those 2 points. And finally, a line through the median. And that's it for box and whisker. Hope this helps.